In today's challenging environment, retaining trained and experienced personnel in fire departments is crucial. Here are 7 factors contributing to attrition rates and strategies to improve retention. A lack of appreciation. Morale suffers without positive reinforcement. Simple gestures like acknowledging good work or checking in on team members can make a big difference. Unfairness and favoritism. Biases and favoritism can drive people away. Leaders should be objective, giving everyone equal opportunities to participate in training, receive feedback, and to excel in the profession. A lack of autonomy over one's work. While the fire service is hierarchical, giving firefighters some autonomy boosts job satisfaction. Let them lead projects, participate in department decision-making, or make decisions to foster responsibility and engagement. Showing no interest in employees' passions. Understanding and utilizing individual strengths and interests can enhance team performance and job satisfaction. Take time to learn about your firefighters' lives away from the department. Do they have a family? What are their hobbies and interests? Specific, relevant, actionable feedback. Specific feedback is more impactful than generic praise. Tying feedback to specific actions encourages positive future behaviors. Make sure feedback is actionable and can be put into practice. A lack of meaning. Emergency responders' work is inherently meaningful, but routine tasks or bad outcomes can obscure this. Leaders should remind teams of the larger mission and purpose, even during tough times. A lack of fun and play. Balancing professionalism and fun is crucial. Ensure that fun doesn't become unprofessional or exclusive, and that everyone feels included and respected. Ensuring all members feel valued, supported, and aligned with the organization's mission enhances retention and overall organizational health. By addressing these factors and implementing strategies to improve retention, fire departments can strengthen their teams and better serve their communities.